Today, you are being asked to answer questions about your experience at Lakeview. We are asking you to take the survey because your teachers want to hear from you. As you complete the survey, please remember that the purpose of this survey is to improve your learning experience. So please be honest. Your teachers will not be able to connect your answers back to you. And if you feel like you cannot answer a question that's on the survey, you may skip the question. Now let's get started. So right below this video in Schoology, there is a link, and you're going to click on that link and it's going to open a web browser. Please wait for this to load. If it doesn't load, then I need you to email your life ed teacher and let them know. Once it loads, you will see a box show up on your screen asking for an access code. This access code is just your student number, so your S number, and that's without the email part attached, so it's just the S number. Once you enter that, you're going to click enter. Once you've entered your access code, a green button on the right of the screen labeled Start Surveys will show up, and the name of the survey will appear in a list. So please let us know if there's no surveys listed. Again, you're going to email your life ed teacher. If you need to switch to a different language, that is totally okay. You're just going to click on where it says English in the top left corner. And then a drop down will show up with a bunch of different languages, and then you pick your preferred language. If English is your preferred language, then you skip this step and you keep it as English. So you are going to click Start Survey at on that page, and you will now begin taking the survey. After answering all the questions, click the blue button at the bottom of the screen that says Submit. Once you have completed your survey, please click that Submit button, and when you see a final screen that says Thank you, that means that you are completely done with the surveys. Please, when you are done, begin working on your virtual assignments, anything that's not completed, meaning current this week, as well as any missing assignments that you have.